Good morning, traders. Welcome to Beyond Profile. Today is Thursday, and it is May 12th. And yesterday had a little bit of pressure to the downside. If you remember right, when we looked at the charts from yesterday morning, we threw some trend lines here of a potential wedge formation or a P formation on the daily. And you can see we're actually right back down into this 27 area this morning, just shy of it. And I think we hit the 29s in the overnight. Question is this going to be our higher low of this? Well, actually, let's do this. Let's just move this down a little bit. Now that we have a potential, if the Globex lows hold, you'll see that we have a potential for a higher low. Or if we break below the high volume node for the month of April, then we've been talking about this also being an option of this running all the way back down to the 1300 level to fill in this void, if you will. So the markets this morning, again, continuation down from yesterday's sell-off, coming into an area that's going to be crucial for us. We need to hold here, and if we don't hold, then we go all the way back down to the levels that we started from, 13s to 1290s in the ES market. You can see for the week and so far for the month, where's the high volume building at? It's 3750. So we've got some problems. If you remember right, it was 43s. So there's more volume going off down here at the lows. And when you look at price action in relationship to that, where's that actually at? It's actually below. Let's look at a 30-minute chart here. It'll look a little bit as to what's going on here. Here's the 60-minute chart, and you can see, we continue down lower from yesterday's B formation. So we had vertical move, our development here for a short period of time, stage 3, continuation down, and now we're basing again right as I said, what was the low? 29. So 2750 is the high volume area for the week. If you notice where the volume is, 3750. So that's a major hurdle for us right now. Anything above 37s would really open the door for us to go back and retest some of these areas of 49.50s. But as of right now, we're still stage 3 all the way down here. This vertical high volume area right here, I should say horizontal 37.38 is a big uncle point. Remember, this is the weekly in development on the right hand side, and that's going to be a short-term problem structurally speaking. It's also naked point of control there, 37.25. So any rallies today in the markets, the most that I would look for this thing to rally to would be 37s, and then stop dead in its tracks and then see if we're going to break. So we're pinned in here, if you will, between what I would say the 2750s. Let me just draw a line down here, because remember, this is the point of control from the month of April, and the other one would be up here at the weekly, or this week's, which were Thursday. I know we've only got another day and a half, but here you go. All right, so this is your sandbox, if you will, your playground that we can play in today. If we break below this, look out for more continuation down. If we get to the top side of 37s, look for more continuation back up. So we're boxed in here right now, if you will. And again, as I said yesterday, news, anything geopolitical, anything that will move the markets other than the normal auctioning process could send it in a big way, and that's exactly what we saw yesterday. Again, markets broke hard late in the morning and continued down and stayed at the lows for pretty much the whole rest of the day as we formed a nice 60-minute B formation. Okay, all right, traders, have a great trading day, and we'll see you in the room.